I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name Kelo Alan. I'm a chief discussant right now. So as for now, I'll be taking you through this computer. Computer as a basic skill is something very important and is vital in life. So here, before we go further, I have to define computer. Computer is a device which accepts data input, store, process, and give information as desired by the user. That is the definition of a computer. Now, computer is divided into two. We have the desktop computer and the laptop computer. But basically, we want to discuss how then can someone open a computer. Maybe you are agreeing about how to open a computer, but you need to come to know after this discussion. Now, before we go further, let me take you through some of the very important things about the computer. In a computer, there are those parts we need to know of which you will interact with. First of all, we have computer is divided into two. There's hardware and software. And being it hardware and software, software is also divided, or they have types. We have application software, we have system software, we have utility software. Now, for them, we shall discuss more about them later on. But let me drop direct into hardware. Hardware, we have it is a tangible part of the computer. Being it tangible, these are the parts you can see, you can touch. Also, tangible part is also divided into two. We have the outer part and the inner part. The outer part, we have the mouth, we have the monitor, we have cables and other things. There are quite many of which we cannot discuss them to the dot. Now, let's see how someone can open a computer. A computer, as I told you at first, that it has two types. We have the desktop and the laptop. I would like to deal with the laptop first, and then the next time, maybe round, we shall see how we can open a desktop. A laptop, you can see the right upper part, or however it varies. It depends on that type of computer. Others you check on the right upper part, others on the left, others sideways. So, but what is important there, you just check a button which is showing a round shape or a hole with a one inside it. When you see that button, it is a button which can help you to power it on. Now you long press it. When you long press it, you will see a power on that button. So that power on the button will now instruct the monitor to open. Now, automatically you will see that after a short time, you will see a light coming on the screen. Now, when you see a light on the screen, you will just see that after a short time, it will begin booting. Now, in process of booting, the computer will be checking itself whether it is in a good working condition. So, in case it is booting, we will find that it is loading. The windows will be opening. Now, as well, we realize that the operating system will also be set. At that point, you come to realize that a computer is now in the process of opening. Now, it will give a box for you to put a password. You have to put your password. You log. After putting the password, you log in. After logging in, the computer will now start. automatically, because when you log in automatically, you will see the icon displaying on the screen. Automatically, that means the computer is fully open. From there, you can push on. So, brethren, I call upon you. We have discussed today about how you can open the computer. I remind you, please subscribe to this channel so that you can come to know what you don't know. You will come to know more beyond your expectation. I am very happy to see you subscribing more and more. I bless you. Thank you.